In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download your project on Canva. So I've gone ahead and done this design, and I want to download it to my computer. The first thing I'll just do is to name it. I'll say, let's just say MyST logo. And then I'm going to come to share. And here you see this which says download, and then I'll simply click on that. And if you have the pro version, you can upscale it, that you can change the size for it to be bigger. But since I'm using the free version, I'm just going to click on download, and it's going to start processing here, and it's going to show up here. You see that it is already downloaded into my computer, and that is it there. So that is how to download your designs on Canva. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates like this.